And with the like so much hype about Google AI overviews and like LLM, how do you think the future of SERPs and Google is heading? Like, is it still worth doing SEO or like?
So this is one question that I feel like not just myself but other speakers at the conference has been asked. With LLMs, like ranking within LLMs, it doesn't matter if it's Gemini, Claude, OpenAI, you still need good SEO. Like for example, if I hadn't invested all the time and effort into my YouTube, into my businesses, grown out my actual name, speaking at conferences, then all the LMs, if you just typed in Kajradash, it wouldn't have any information about me.
Correct.
So even though like everyone's slightly a bit scared of all the AI overviews, the SERPs being completely swapped out by AI, you still need good SEO for LLMs to understand who you are or what your brand is about.
Okay. So again, as you're saying, it's still worth doing the SEO part.
100%.